Hello, I'm going to see if you can charge Samsung Galaxy S5 through the microwave. So it's now at 66% and I'm going to see if it works. So I'm going to put it in this microwave for a few seconds. So I'll just open this, put my nice little Samsung Galaxy S5 into the plate. Alright, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to adjust the wattage in. Alright, I'll put 1000 watt. Maybe it works. Yeah, and now I need to put in the time. So put in the time. Just take 10 seconds. Alright. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So now I'm going to see if it works. I'm going to put it out. And oh my God. It does not work anymore. It does not work anymore. So just doesn't work anymore. So please don't try it. Is there something? Alright. Doesn't do anything. So well, don't try it. It actually does not work. So, well, yes, this is a heads up. So, I hope this is informative and you can save your phones, but please do not try it. Thank you.